Hi Sumitra, your task for today is to update and make sure that 3D Gate is already working. So I need you to go to this folder, look for 3D Gate main and then 3D Gate, homepage design. Click on this, open it, download it, and then you'd see these pictures here and the text and everything else. So basically, what you need to do is to follow this design and use this placeholder images to design the homepage of the website. So that's number one of your task. Number two of your task is I need you to go in the prescription psychiatrist's Zoho form. The username is and password is, I'll send it to you. And then I need you to copy this medical records release form. So basically, what an additional that you need to an additional line item that you need to include here is the IP address of the person filling out the form. Number two is the ability for them to upload an ID, and every line of this form should be required. Let me know if you have any questions on that. Another task that I can think of that you need to update today is the Zoho and WooCommerce integration. I understand that you're unable to create a Sandbox PayPal account, so I created one over the weekend. So basically, here is the email address, webmaster@engageonline.com.au, and I will send that details to you, including the form and other pertinent information that you need so you can complete your tasks. Please list down everything in our chat, and then send me an update every hour regarding your progress. Thank you.